In this video we're going to explore Petropolis, one of the most charming cities in Rio de Janeiro. So stay with me until the end because we'll cover everything about accommodation, must-see attractions, and how to get around here. Welcome to the Brazil Travel Planning channel. In today's video, we're featuring a breathtaking city filled with surreal beauty. Petropolis is a Brazilian city perfect for those passionate about history, culture and gastronomy. It's located 44 miles from Rio de Janeiro and has a lot to offer. One of its highlights is the Imperial Museum, which was once the summer palace of Dom Pedro I and the place where the abolition of slavery was celebrated. The city is also home to the Crystal Palace, its most famous postcard-worthy attraction, inspired by the Crystal Palace in London. Additionally, right at the entrance of the city, you'll find the famous Quitandinha Palace, which impresses visitors with its grand architecture. Another must-see is the House of Santos, a French Alp-style chalet that served as a summer home for the famous inventor. Without a doubt, Petropolis is the perfect destination to visit with family and friends. To get to Petropolis after landing at Galeão International Airport (GIG), you have several options. A ride-share app costs $23, a taxi costs $13, you can rent a car or take a bus from Novo Rio Bus Terminal for $7. Stay tuned for more travel tips. And let's explore Petropolis together. Some of the most visited and popular tourist attractions in Petropolis are Crystal Palace, a glass structure inspired by European palaces. Imperial Museum, the former residence of Dom Pedro II, preserving relics from the empire. São Pedro de Alcântara Cathedral, a grand neo-Gothic cathedral, the resting place of the imperial family. Santos Dumont House, the inventor's residence, full of fascinating curiosities. Quitandinha, a former casino hotel with impressive architecture and a beautiful lake. Bohemia Brewery, a tour through the history of beer in Brazil. Accommodation, Pousada Boutique Itaipava, daily rate, $205. Pousada Boutique Itaipava offers accommodation with an outdoor pool, free private parking, a garden, and a shared lounge in Itaipava. With a restaurant, the accommodation also offers a bar, sauna, and hot tub. The property features room service and free Wi-Fi throughout. At Pousada Boutique Itaipava, you can enjoy a buffet-style breakfast. Grande Hotel Petropolis, daily rate, $93. Located in a historic 1930s building, Grande Hotel Petropolis is just 50 meters from the Imperial Museum in Petropolis. The hotel offers accommodations with split air conditioning, a gym and free Wi-Fi. Petropolis Grande Hotel features modern rooms with an LCD TV, minibar, safe, parquet flooring and a desk. Some rooms also have a sofa bed. The breakfast buffet served in the hotel restaurant includes fresh fruits, cereals and bread. The restaurant also offers a variety of local and international dishes for lunch and dinner. Hotel Casablanca Imperial, daily rate, $97. The hotel features an outdoor pool and a fireplace in the shared lounge. For your convenience, free Wi-Fi is available throughout the property, and complimentary private parking is provided on site. Guests can relax with a drink at the hotel bar or stay in shape using the treadmills in the gym. The bright and cozy rooms at Casablanca Imperial include a flat-screen cable TV, telephone, minibar, and a private bathroom with a shower. Some units have air conditioning, while others come with a fan. Every day, guests can enjoy a breakfast buffet at the hotel, offering a variety of seasonal fruits, breads, cold cuts, local and national delicacies, as well as hot and cold beverages. Choosing the best location in Petropolis. Proximity to downtown. Neighborhoods like Centro, Valparaiso, and Retiro offer easy access to shops and services. Safety and tranquility. Areas like Quitandinha and Bingen are more residential and peaceful. Climate and nature. Carias and Itaipava are ideal for those looking for green areas and a mild climate. Cost of living. Itaipava and Nogueira tend to have more expensive properties, while areas like Castellania can be more affordable. Tours and attractions. Petropolis is full of incredible historical and natural attractions. Imperial Museum, the residence of Dom Pedro II, featuring a rich historical collection. Quitandanha Palace, a former casino with stunning architecture and a lake. Santos Dumont House, a museum dedicated to the father of aviation. São Pedro de Alcântara Cathedral, a grand neo-Gothic church. Rua Teresa, a great spot for shopping for clothes and accessories. Serra dos Orgulhos National Park, breathtaking trails and waterfalls. Beer Circuit, tours of the region's craft breweries. Now that you know how much it costs to visit Petropolis, you can plan your trip with more confidence. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips. See you on the next adventure.